Hi, my name is Ken Gray, and I am a certified Tai Chi for Arthritis teacher at HSS. Doing Tai Chi for Arthritis regularly can improve your muscular strength, your flexibility and fitness, and can aid in keeping the joints very stable by lubricating through gentle movements and protecting the joints. Also, reducing pain and preventing injury. Tai Chi is often referred to as an internal art, meaning it focuses on the clarity of the mind in coordination with the body. I'm now going to demonstrate a couple of movements from the form, and feel free to follow along. After practicing Tai Chi for Arthritis form, many people experience a feeling of calmness and tranquility. So we'll start with the feet about shoulder width apart, and let's float the hands up right in front of the heart, palms facing each other, and very gently open and close the palms. Our first movement is called single whip. Shift your weight to the left foot, step out to the right, shift your weight, palms face forward, open the palms, look to your left hand. Shift your weight back to the left foot, bring the right hand and right foot in, step out to the right, change the hands up and down, and shift the weight to the right, turn. Step in, change the hands, and turn to the left. And step, change, shift the weight and turn. And one more, step in, bring hand up to the heart, the other hand to meet, and we open, close gently, present softly, let the hands float down, and relax. And that's a little sample of our Tai Chi for Arthritis form. Thank you for watching the video.